Okay, in this video, we will find solutions of the equation or solutions of the system of equations by graphic approach. So let's see. Number one, A. Left-hand side is a parabola. It is graphed. You can use a calculator for graphing. And right-hand side is 0, so we can consider using y equals 0, which is x-intercept. So solution of this equation is the x-intercepts of the graph. So solutions are here and here, right? What are they? -4 is a solution and 1 is also a solution. So we have solution set like that. So we haven't talked about this a lot, and it's an easy lesson, right? Left-hand side, you can graph on the calculator. Y1 is going to be left-hand side, and this one is upside-down parabola, right? Right-hand side, you can put it as a second function, and then you can graph y equals 0, or you can just use x-intercept. So x-intercepts are solutions of the equations, so we can identify solutions here and there. Is that -6 and -2? Yep, that's right. Now let's look at question C. Question C, it is graphed, but I'm not sure what is that exact location. We can guess. Yeah, my best guess is 0.5. Agree? Yeah, but I'm not sure. So I'm going to use technology to verify it, okay? So let's use calculator. If I have to do algebra, and I will factor out and then I'll check. If it is not possible to factor, I'll use quadratic formula to find the answer. So let's type 2x squared minus 9x plus 4 on the y1, okay? 2x squared, oops, 2x squared minus subtract 9x plus 4, and if I graph and I have that point, it's similar like that, right? And let's use calculator for finding the answer. So use second button and trace button. We will calculate. Actually, we are not calculating the value, okay? We will find 0 of the function. So go to the second one. 0 of the function is x-intercept of the graph. So let's use that button, and it is asking, do you want this as a left bound? I'm looking for this solution, so left bound, that's good. So hit enter and move the cursor to the right, passing through that 0 you're looking for, and then select that as right bound. So between this left and right, I want to guess the solution, okay? Do you want me to guess? Calculator is asking. Do it so hit enter. And then 0, x coordinate is 0.5. That's how we use a calculator. Make sense? So if you're looking for the 0 of the function, we use second, trace, and 0 button, which is number 2. Okay? All right. So what was it? It was 0.5, right? Okay. And the other one is 4. So if we have the other line is going upwards, and we will think about setting up the left-hand side as first equation, and the second equation will be the right-hand side. So this right-hand side is a number, that means it is vertically translated up 3 units, okay? So we will see that. So when we have 2 equations on the left and right, this is system of equations, okay? So graphically, we can equate it, and then we can see the point of intersection. What number do I read from this point of intersection? Only x coordinates, okay? Only x coordinates. Why? Solutions of the equation is going to be only x variable. There is no y variable in the equation, okay? So it's a little different situation. You are reading x coordinate from zeros of the function, but here we are looking at the point of intersection, but take only x values because x is the value we are looking for. So answer will be -2, 4. Make sense? Okay, next one. What is the solution? Look at the point of intersection between two graphs. One is parabola, the other is a line, and quadratic and linear relation. And we have point of intersection and use x coordinate for the solution because equation itself has only x variable. All right, the third one, and if I can read and I can use the point directly, but sometimes it's not possible. At that time, we must use algebra to solve it. But we have tools to use, so let's use a calculator. Let's do the same way, okay? I'm going to type the left-hand side as y1, right-hand side as y2. So let me clear it. Second plus 7, 1, and 2, clear all. And then let's put left-hand side 2x squared subtract 3x minus 2, and then when you graph, you got parabola only, right? And let's go down, and then let's put right-hand side the number 3. So this will be a constant function y equals 3. So let's graph both of them. And now let's use the function key, second button, and trace from the calculations, and I'm looking for the point of intersection. So instead of selecting number 2, I will need to use intersect button, okay? Number 5. And first curve, yeah, that is first curve, okay. And second curve, yes, and then guess, yes, guess. And then I got the left one, -1 and 3, right? How can I get right one? And then you need to have left-right boundary, or first, the second one, near there. So let's repeat one more time. Second calculations, number 5, intersect. Find the intersect, and let me move it to the right. Is this your first curve? Yes. And then choose the second one, near there. Is this your second curve? Yes. And then guess, and then the calculator will find the closer one near there. Okay, so you can start left bound, the right bound near there, and then we can find the solution. So that was 2.5. So let's answer it. This is -1, and this is 2.5. That's how we use calculator for finding solutions graphically using TI-84.